Are you planning a move with kids in the near future? Spring and summer are usually when you'll see families getting ready to move into new homes before they go back to school in September. We're sure you'll agree that moving is stressful enough, but moving with the kids is stressful on another level. Trust me, I know, I'm a father of two myself. Some challenges could include difficulty having to manage and accommodate to their daily routines, or even just giving them adequate attention. Whatever the case may be, I want to help alleviate some of that stress. I've compiled a list of brilliant tips from our clients, parents who've gone through the move with kids themselves. First and foremost, I highly recommend not having your children around during moving day. Leaving the kids with grandparents or finding a babysitter will help you get things done much faster. For the actual move, ask friends and family for help or hire professional movers. Having external help will expedite the entire moving process and will allow you to spend more leisure time with the family after a long day. If you would prefer the kids to be part of the process, follow these simple steps. Step 1, make it as fun and as creative as you can. Give them their very own box and make it special, kind of like a treasure box that they can use to pack all of their favorite belongings in. This will help them feel like they are helping you. It will also help them be more aware of their favorite toys and the things that they value. Step 2, start with packing things that you don't normally use or need at the moment. Keep essential items within reach and pack those things last. Keep snacks, foods, and toys around that your kids will use most often. Step 3, keep your children entertained and occupied. Coloring books are a great way for keeping kids focused on one activity for a long period of time. Children's books about moving are also a great read, and it'll also help prepare and answer questions that your kids may have about the moving process. A really good example is the Berenstain Bears Moving Day. That book is amazing. Step 4, get plenty of rest and have a lot of patience. There'll be long nights and stressful moments, so you'll need every ounce of energy to make a move as smooth as possible. If you're genuinely excited, your children will likely reciprocate that emotion as well. Step 5, take them to the new neighborhood on the weekends or whenever you have spare time and let them explore their new surroundings. Let them roam around the local parks, check out the new school areas, restaurants, stores, etc. You just want to make sure that they can get a feel for the environment and get used to where they're moving to. Step 6, be ready to let go of the old, unused items. When you move, you'll likely want to purchase new furniture and everyday items, so it's very important that you're able to let go of things that your family no longer uses. A clean and decluttered home will make the space feel much more fresh. It might be a good idea to put some things that are in good condition up for sale and make a few bucks out of it. It's also a great idea to donate a lot of toys or articles of clothing that the kids might not even need anymore, or that you might not even need anymore. Ultimately, the most rewarding feeling is when your family steps out of the car and into your new home. The smile and excitement on everyone's face will make all of the stress worth it. 100% guaranteed. So, if you have an upcoming move, I wish you nothing but the best. But I know that it could be super stressful. So if you require any assistance or you have any questions about this process, please do not hesitate to reach out. All you have to do is go to chatwithreortiz.com, book your free discovery call, and I'll make sure that you're set up.